Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How was your week? Mine was good. Today I'm gonna teach you the phrasal verb get over. So, get over. I think the most popular meaning, one of the most popular meanings, is to recover from an illness. For instance, Caroline just got over a cold. It means Caroline just recovered from a cold. What to do to get over a fever? It means what to do to recover from a fever. So another meaning is very close to the previous one. It means to recover from a bad experience, to forget about it. For instance, it took me several years to get over my wife. It means it took me several years to forget about my wife. You need to get over the bad experience. It means you need to forget about your bad experience. Another meaning is to overcome the problem. For instance, I know your mom can't get over the problem. It means I know your mom can't overcome the problem. Do you know how to get over your shyness? It means do you know how to overcome your shyness? Now the meaning is a little bit different, but still you can use it. So get over is to be surprised or even shocked by something. So I can't get over how amazing you look. So I'm so surprised how amazing you look. I couldn't get over how young he looked. It means I was so surprised how young he looked. So the next meaning is to go to some place. For example, we need to get over to our apartment as soon as possible. It means we need to go to our apartment as soon as possible. We'll get over your place as soon as we can. It means we'll come to your place as soon as we can. I have another phrasal verb for you, get over with. It means to complete something unpleasant but necessary. I don't want my birthday to be something I just get over with. It means I don't want my birthday to be something unpleasant but necessary. You need to get over with the past. It means you need to stop thinking about your past. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, support me, click the like button. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Bye bye.